Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I'm going to be taking off the Whitestone Dome Glass Protector on this Galaxy S20. So it should be pretty easy. And so what I want to first do is try to get a corner of the protector and try to peel it up with my fingernail. And you can see that it's starting to raise up. And I'm just taking this slow. I don't really want to break it. So just take your time and do it. Lift it up. So I'm lifting that up. Oh, I did break it. That's okay. And maybe I'll try another edge here. Okay. Lifting that up. And I'm just going to maybe slide my fingernails along the way. Lifting it up, trying not to break it because I don't want to have to deal with all kinds of shards of glass. So if you just put a little bit of pressure on it, it will eventually start to peel off. Now, I really like the Whitestone Dome Glass Protectors. They have always been really good, and usually when you order those, they'll come with maybe 2 extra ones in the box. The reason I am taking this off right now, and I'm going to come around on this side and do it, is that I'm going to be trading this in for the Galaxy S20. And so I just want to take this off and clean it up before I send this back. So you can see that it's going a lot faster now. Coming off. Oh, that one broke off. And go on this side.
It's tricky.
Yeah, it is tricky. If you take your time, it'll come
Easy.
Easy cheesy lemon squeezy. Alright. But I've been using this type of screen protector for a long time. Been super happy. And there it is. It is completely off right there. You can see that I broke it right here. And here is the glue on here. You can see the screen right here. I did not clean it up yet, but there might be just a tiny bit of residue, but not much on there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a lens cleaning wipe like this, and I'm going to clean this up, make it look nice and pretty.
And we'll do something that you can't do.
So, and I've had this phone for a year, and I just had just the one protector on it, and it did a fantastic job. You see that there is no scrapes or scratches. So that was very easy, cheesy lemon squeezy. I'm going to set this off to the side here, and I'm going to show you this screen right here. And my son got a screwdriver, and what we're going to do is we're going to attach this to a Sprint phone, and
But it's not working.
Nope, the phone is not working. And I'm just going to show you how nice and tough this is. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
All right, here we go. Look at that. I got some good dents in there. I was pounding this thing. One more big pound. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels good. All right, let's see how well protected that screen is underneath there. What do you think there, Lucas? Do you
I think it's good.
All right, let's take this off here. Now, when I did this, there are some shards of, just some little shards around here, so you want to be very careful. Do not try this at home. Only professionals can do this.
They're not. So I just all home.
All right. This thing, look at that. Look at those breaks, those dents, gashes all over in there. All right, let's put this off to the side. And we're going to take my wipe, clean this up.
It's not even.
Not even a dent or a scratch. Let me clean that up. I'm getting beautiful. Look at that. Not even a dent, not even a scratch on here. This looks awesome. Look at that. Beautiful. The Whitestone Dome Protector protects your phone. Yeah! Gotta get one. All right, talk to you later. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. Make sure you check out my other videos on here. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.